We are inside the Giuliano Showroom, where I will show you how the T-REC works. To start, lift the wheel and place it at the center of the spindle. Press the pedal to lock it securely. And we lock it. This is a 19-inch wheel, so we set the corresponding diameter on the control panel. Since this is a run-flat tire, we select the dedicated run-flat mode and activate the automatic cycle. We confirm the settings and press the start button. At this point, all that's left is to press the go pedal to start the automatic cycle. The first operation is to position the valve in the same direction as the bead loosening disc, so as to correctly memorize the position and avoid damaging the TPMS sensor. Press go pedal. Install the plastic rim protector. Position BP1 Press Arm, patented, on the opposite side and continue with the procedure. Move the wheel and press go pedal again. Tilt the wheel slightly, keeping the same previously memorized position. Position it and press the go pedal. Positioning, second bead. Press go. At the end of the cycle, press go pedal again to complete the operation, and then reset to restore the system. We finish by inflating the tire. Unlock the wheel by pressing the wheel clamping pedal. Process is complete. And with this, the demonstration is complete.